Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, loops and graphics in Small Basic. So what is Small Basic? Small Basic is a programming language which makes our programming easy, fun for beginners. So let's begin with loops in Small Basic, graphics in Small Basic, graphic window methods. So let's just start the chapter.
Exams are approaching. Let's practice looping in Small Basic. Small Basic is a programming language that is designed to make programming extremely easy, approachable, and fun for beginners. A typical Small Basic program consists of a bunch of statements. Every line of the program represents a statement, and every statement is an instruction for the computer. When we ask the computer to execute a Small Basic program, it takes the program and reads the first statement. It understands what we are trying to say and then executes our instruction. Once it's done executing our first statement, it comes back to the program and reads and executes the second line. It continues to do so until it reaches the end of the program. This is how our program runs. Loops in Small Basic. Many machines do their work by using repeated motions called cycles. The engine in the car performs the same motions over and over again as it burns gasoline to provide power. Electric motors are similar. They convert electric power into spinning motion. Both of these machines are useful because they do the same things over and can keep going as long as we want. Computer programs also use cycles. Much of the usefulness of computer software comes from doing things in cycles. In programming, cycles are called loops. When a program has a loop in it, some statements are done over and over as it is needed to get the work done. Most computer programs execute millions of program statements each time they are used. Most of these statements are the same statements being executed over and over many times. Therefore, looping means repeated execution of statements for a fixed number of times. Small Basic provides two types of loops which are for loop, while loop. For loop. For loop is used when there is a group of statements that are to be executed a specific number of times. It also reduces the length of a program. For with step statement. To increase or decrease the variable value other than 1, the step command is used in the for statement. Step value is an optional statement which may be either a positive or a negative value. Consider the following program. While loop. While loop is used when the loop count is not known beforehand. It is determined by the result of the specified condition. The condition given after while evaluates to either true or false. The while loop repeats the instructions until a given condition is true. As the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. Graphics in Small Basic. Just like we had text window that allowed to work with text and numbers, Small Basic also provides a graphics window that can be used to draw things. Graphics window. Graphics window is made up of tiny dots called pixels. The combination of more than one pixel together makes an image. The graphics window displays designs and graphic patterns on the screen. Graphics window object. The graphics window object provides graphics-related input and output functionality. It is used to draw shapes, lines, and text in many colors. Graphics window methods. Drawing lines. Once the graphics window is up, different shapes, texts, and even pictures can be drawn on it. Drawing and filling shapes. When it comes to draw shapes, there are usually two types of operations for every shape. They are draw operations and fill operations. Draw operations draw the outline of the shapes using a pen, and fill operations paint the shapes using a brush. For example, in the program given below, there are two rectangles, one that is drawing using the red pen and one that's filled using the green brush. Drawing triangle. Draw triangle. statement is used to draw a triangle using the selected pen.